and today's video is gonna be my 21st birthday vlog. So as we all know, my birthday is on August 13th and I'm gonna be turning 21. Think about how time is flying. Time is literally flying, guys. Like, can you believe that we're already in August? It doesn't feel like it. Like pinch me. Is this a dream?
Never in a million years would I be thinking that I'd be turning 21. And I mean, of course, I want to turn 120. Like, you know, it's just like the fact that it's all coming, like, I'm like, and then the day when I turn 30, I'm going to be like, what? Where did time go? Because I remember being in like the 2nd and 3rd grade thinking, oh my gosh, I'm never going to be a 5th grader. And boom, I'm like, wow, I already graduated from my AA.
Use every minute to the max. What? 21? I want to add that clip of Ramon from The Proposal when, like, me saying, I'm turning 21, and then Ramon is like, are you crazy? Like, it just doesn't feel like it. It doesn't feel like I'm turning 21. I see the number, and I'm like, what? Yeah. Oh, by the way, do you guys remember me using this shirt? So, apparently it was either my detergent or my fabric softener that stained my shirt really weirdly. So I had like a couple of stains. I think it was on this one that was like really big. And then I just couldn't remove it. My mom has like an amazing patience to hand wash things. And she was able to remove it off of one of my Karl Lagerfeld shirts. And then I was like, yeah, no. So I bought a tie-dye kit and I just decided to tie-dye it. You see, look. I think it looks cute. So if your clothes ever stains, tie-dye it. And if it's a black shirt, then tie-dye it with bleach. Of course, there's some shirts that don't look good when they're tie-dyed. For example, that Karl Lagerfeld shirt, it's a really fancy shirt. So I wasn't going to tie-dye it because I was just going to look weird, like a really fancy shirt with tie-dye. So that's why my mom was really nice and really patient and hand washed the stain away that was caused by the detergent or fabric softener. In a count of 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, here I am in the same scene again. That was one of the best transitions you've ever seen. So I got these treat bags from Party City 13. Since it is my 21st birthday, I know this is gonna sound so weird. Like, I wanted it to be like kind of like pop princess. So I got the cutest pink leggings, sparkly from Shein. But my cake is gonna be casino because I am turning 21. So I love buying scratch-off lottery tickets. I don't recommend gambling because I personally buy scratch-off tickets. Not gonna lie, probably once a month. I limit myself at once a month. The most I buy is $2 to $5 once a month. And there's major consequences to gambling when you lose that much amount of money. When you become addicted to it, it comes to the point where you might prioritize getting a lottery ticket instead of eating that afternoon. So everything in moderation. If you have that feeling where you're like, I start to buy a scratch-off ticket, but I feel like I'm going to become addicted. Listen to your gut, listen to your heart. Don't do it. Because only you know yourself best. But let's go on to making the goodie bags. Then I got this. This is called confetti. It's like holographic. It's like little shredded confetti and they're like plastic and they stick to my hand. So what I'm doing is, since I only need to make 12 or 13 goodie bags, I think it is. Yeah, I think it's 13. So like I just go in, I grab a little handful. I have to keep this one open because this one is very sticky. Like if it falls on something, it's gonna speak. Like taking it out of my hand. It's a while. Then you gotta give it a shake so that way it's like spread it evenly across. I'm gonna be adding my favorite chocolates, Snickers. My favorite candies are chocolate covered peanuts. So anything that's chocolate and involves peanuts, it's my favorite type of candy. I really like gummies as well, but I love Werther's Original. These are the creamy caramel filled. I love these candies. Love them so much. Boop, boop. So now that I have all the goodie bags ready, what I'm going to be doing is, so you see how the confetti is here, then I have the candies here. I'm going to be going back in. I'm going to be adding an extra layer of confetti, so that way the more confetti, cuter it looks. Now I have these lip glosses. It's strawberry scented and they're so cute, guys. Look. And now we're gonna be doing one more round of confetti. Okay, so that's for the female goodie bags. I have different goodies for the male goodie bags. So I'm gonna be taking a little break from doing the goodie bags and I'm gonna be showing you guys the name tags that are gonna be going onto the goodie bags. So sorry that I didn't show you guys the process of me making them because I kind of did this last night. So yeah, okay, let me show you the one that I made for my mom. Okay, so what I did was I grabbed construction paper. I was able to make 12 labels out of one sheet of construction paper. It's paper that you could put in your printer and it'll work. Like, it won't mess up your printer. What I did was I did my labels 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Then I did the little outline. I cut them out. And then with a hole puncher, I hole punched an edge. I tried not to leave the hole too close because the ribbon that I'm going to tie it to the goodie bag to, if it's too tight and too to the edge, it can rip. So that's why I did it not too in the center, but not too close to the edges. So then what I did was I grabbed these labels that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then some of them I did round and then some of them I did square. And I also grabbed these stickers from the Dollar Tree and I put them there. But I decided to do it like that, where I did the thicker marker on the bottom and the skinnier marker on top, so that way it has like that little cute font dimension effect. So now that I'm done with the labels, let me show y'all how the labels look. So now that I finished doing the name tags, I'm going back to the baggies. And what I'm going to be doing is I bought this pack of nail polishes. And I'm going to be putting a nail polish per baggie. And then I'm also going to be putting in another layer of confetti as well. Okay guys, so what I did was I got this multi-pack of earrings. So I'm planning on cutting like 2 pairs of earrings per person per goodie bag. So for example, I really liked how all these earrings came in this one big pack in this carton. So I'm able to cut them with my scissors. You see, 2 per person, 2 per person. And that way everybody gets 2 pairs of earrings. So now we're going on to the male goodie bag. So what I got for the guys is, you know how I got the females lip glosses? I got the males Carnexes. The second goodie I got for males is Sockets. Their phone, handstands. For the 4 male gifts, I kind of personalized each gift to the person that's going to be receiving the goodie bag, because I wasn't able to find at the store like one general gift that all 4 of them would all equally like. But I was having kind of trouble finding one in general, like for all of them, the same way that I was able to do the same gift for the women. Because, you know, for the female goodie bags, I was able to easily find all the same general gifts that I'm pretty sure all of us are gonna like. So since it was a bit harder for me to find gifts for males, I personalized each one of them. Then for one of them, I got him the Cuban flag for his car because he's Cuban. And then for one of them, I got him a set of playing cards because I figured he might like games because in his house he has a lot of games available to play for when guests and friends, family come over. Then for one of them, I got him a desktop ping pong set because he loves to play games. He likes to play video games. He likes to play games outside. He likes to play all types of games. So I figured that he would have a lot of fun playing with a desktop mini ping pong set. Vlogging, and I just remembered right now, August 12th at 3:40 p.m. that I have to vlog my getting ready for my birthday. I just remembered, guys. I've literally been doing so many preparations. I forgot. So let me show y'all. I just finished doing my eyebrows. I sat outside. I was talking to my grandma, getting those vitamins from the sun. I did my brows, I shaved my mustache, I shaved this part of my face because y'all know how sometimes peach fuzz be growing there. And now I'm flat ironing my hair.
So, since I've already worn my hair straight with this new hair color, I've only worn it straight and natural. I was thinking I should curl it.
I got my InStyler. I'm really happy today. Today is such a beautiful day. I'm so happy for my birthday. I'm excited. I'm having so much fun right now. I spoke to my grandma. I'm gonna speak later today with my aunt. I spoke to my best friend since 7th grade today. It's great. I'm gonna be celebrating my birthday 3 times. My mom is right now working on 2 cakes for my birthday. So for lunch tomorrow, I'm gonna be eating at Chili's with my family. We're gonna be eating with my aunts, we're gonna be eating with my cousins, we're gonna be eating good. For dinner, we're gonna be going to El Cilantrillo, which is a Puerto Rican restaurant. So good. They have this thing called an afrentado, and it's like this huge meat buffet. So it's not like a meat buffet. So it's like a really big portion, like a really huge plate full of different meats. It has meat, chicken, pork, and it's like huge. And when I say huge, you guys are gonna see it in the video. It's a huge portion of meat. And yeah, we're gonna be having dinner there with our friends. And I'm so excited. But I'm gonna be switching outfits because for lunch I'm gonna be wearing. I went into my mom's closet and she had the cutest plaid squared pink shirt. And I'm gonna be wearing these like mom shorts and my cowboy boots, and I'm gonna be curling my hair, and I'm just gonna look super cute. Love it, because you know, like Chili is more like casual.